All right, good afternoon. Here's our geometry quiz review. I'm going to go over just the hypothesis and conclusion alone, just the conditional, converse, inverse, contrapositive alone, and then we'll go over some inductive and deductive. So those will be separate videos. The most important thing for you to do is to memorize all of this stuff. You've got to know that. That's like half of your quiz tomorrow. So let's look at number one. So write the given statement. I want the inverse of the phrase, if I pass geometry. I'm going to call that my hypothesis. Then I will take algebra 2. That's my conclusion. Okay, so if I pass geometry, then I will take algebra 2. I want the inverse, which is not P, then not Q. So if not P, if I do not pass geometry, zoom in here, so not P, if I don't pass geometry, then not Q, I won't take algebra 2. That's the inverse, not P, not Q. All right, then I want the contrapositive for number 2, the contrapositive of this phrase. If it is Saturday, then tomorrow is Sunday. So contrapositive, I want if not Q, then not P. Let me write those down. It is Sunday is my hypothesis. It is Saturday is the hypothesis. Tomorrow is Sunday is my conclusion. So the first step I got to do is make sure what my P and Q are. And the contrapositive, if not Q, so if tomorrow is not Sunday, then not P. Today is not Saturday. And the last one for this video, the converse of if I pass geometry, then I will take algebra 2. So I want the converse, which is the second one, tells me just switch the order. So if Q, then P. So if I take algebra 2, then I passed geometry. And if I go down here, I've got my sentence, if I'm taking behind the wheel, then I am not a freshman. So this is P, that's Q. So I've got the conditional down. If I am taking behind the wheel, then I'm not a freshman. The converse, just switch the order. So if I am not a freshman, then I am taking behind the wheel. The inverse says if not P, then not Q. So keep the order the same, but negate both. So if I am not taking behind the wheel, then I am a freshman. So the opposite of not being a freshman is being a freshman. And lastly here, the contrapositive. Switch the order and negate both. So I'll start with Q, and I'm going to negate it. So opposite of not being a freshman is being a freshman. if I am a freshman and not P, the opposite of I am taking behind the wheel is I am not taking behind the wheel. Make sure you have this order memorized and the symbols as well, and I will see